Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Trading Tutor channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the recent news updates after the market has closed. So, as of the post-market updates, Sensex and Nifty were in the red again today. Sensex was down 418 points at 36,699 and Nifty was down 134 points at 10,862. The top gainers on the Nifty today were Bharti Airtel, Tech Mahindra, Coal India, TCS, and Bajaj Auto. The top losers on the Nifty today were Yes Bank, UPL, Tata Motors, Power Grid Corporation, and Grasim Industries. Among the sectors, except IT, other indices are ended in the red, led by energy, which was down by 2.7%, followed by metal, bank, auto, FMCG, infrastructure, and pharmaceuticals. BSE Small Cap Index and Mid Cap Index were down by over 1%. As of 5:32 p.m. Indian Standard Time in the commodity market updates, the international Brent crude oil futures are trading at $61.08 per barrel. US WTI crude oil futures are trading at $54.97 per barrel. Gold is trading at 36,200 rupees per 10 gram, which is 1.75% higher than the previous close. Silver is trading at 42,410 rupees per kilogram, which is 2.53% higher than the previous close. And in the currency update, the US dollar Indian rupee currency pair is currently trading at 70.72 rupees to the dollar, which is 1.47% higher than the previous close. And in other stock market news, the Indian constitution to apply in Jammu and Kashmir, according to the President's order, Article 370, which granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir, was scrapped today through a presidential decree that Home Minister Amit Shah said would come into force at once. As of the latest updates, the Home Minister has introduced the Article 370 bill in the Lok Sabha. State Bank of India's shares fell more than 5% intraday to hit nearly 5-month low on August 5th as the brokerage house's slashed price target after June quarter profit missed expectations and slippages were higher. Cox and King shares were locked at lower circuit today. The company has defaulted on payment of 100 crore rupees worth unsecured commercial paper which was due on August 1st, 2019. IIFL Finance is planning to raise up to 1,000 crore rupees via bonds. So, according to the news, IIFL Finance will open its public issue of bonds on August 6th and would raise up to 1,000 crore rupees for the purpose of business growth and expansion. The IIFL bonds will offer yield of 10.5% per annum for a tenor of 69 months. It will also offer 10% per annum for short tenor of 15 months for the secured category. The bonds have monthly, quarterly, and annual payment frequency along with zero coupon bonds. The other tenor offered is 39 months for secured category, it also added. Tata Motors UK July auto sales were announced, showing that the total JLR UK sales were up by 9.7% at 6,668 units against the 6,077 units previously. The total Jaguar UK sales were up by 12.6% at 2,515 units versus the 2,234 units previously. The total Land Rover sales were up by 8.1% at 4,153 units versus the 3,843 units year on year. E-clerk services shares hit over 6-year low. The shares of the e-clerk services fell 12% to hit more than 6-year low on August 5th as the HDFC Securities has downgraded the stock to sell after subdued performance in the June quarter earnings. European markets opened 1% lower today as the escalating trade tension between US-China continues to spook investors worldwide. India Ratings and Research, part of the Fitch Group, has reaffirmed the rating of cyber tech systems and software as long-term issuer rating at IND BBB- with a stable outlook. Shares of Trident rose 4.5% on Monday after the company posted Q1 results. Trident's Q1 net profit jumped to 122.4 crore rupees against the 58.9 crore rupees year on year. Trident's revenue rose 15.5% to 1,312 1,000.1 crore rupees versus the 1,136.4 crore rupees previously. And in quarterly result highlights, Dwarkesh Sugar's Q1 results were announced, showing a net profit down by 35.2% at 19.9 crore rupees against the 30.7 crore rupees previously. The revenue was up at 379 crore rupees versus the 376.4 crore rupees year on year. Indian Bank's Q1 result showed net profit rising by 74.6% at 365.4 crore rupees against the 209.3 crore rupees previously. The net interest income fell at 1,785.5 crore rupees versus the 1,807 crore rupees year on year. Gross non-performing assets were at 7.33% and the net non-performing assets were at 3.84% quarter on quarter. Nesco's Q1 results showed consolidated net profit up by 3% at 37.9 crore rupees against 36.8 crore rupees year on year. Their revenue was up 3% at 78.3 crore rupees. Venky's India Q1 results showed net profit declining 13% at 61.8 crore rupees, with the revenue rising up by 19.8% at 905.3 crore rupees year on year. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to start trading about in the stock market, you can create your Demat account with Alice Blue by clicking the link in the description and filling out your details. With Alice Blue's brokerage services, you'll get excellent exposures and margin for trading in the stock market.